On this side though, I've got all my stuff from my Once Upon, Walk in the Woods Aurora kind of thing. And this is based on an illustration by Dylan Bonner, and he's awesome and amazing. And the colour scheme is slightly different from the original. So I'm basing this off of 2 of his sketches, and the main one is where all of this comes from. So I've got this lightweight something, I'm not actually sure what it is, pink for the skirt. And then I've got this really nice reddish brown wool to cover the corset. And I really love it. I really shouldn't have bought it because it was £8 a metre, and that's a lot. And I could have found something cheaper, but it was really nice. And this was £5 a metre, and I got 4 metres of that. And this is just a really nice sort of greyish, though it looks different in this light, overlay for the skirt. It's just a layered chiffon, and I think this was £2 or £3 a metre, and I got 3 of that. And then I got this bit of purple, which was meant to be for a cape, and it was really cheap. It was £1.99 a metre, but they only had 2 metres left, and I'm not sure that's enough to make so that's not quite enough to make a cape, but I'll figure it out. And then I bought this, which was discounted at £2 per metre, and this is a cream sort of, I don't really know what it is, but I really like it, and I think it'll make a really nice blouse. And that is all.